Good morning, this is Andrew, and today is the 4th of February, 2015, and usually I make these videos and it pretty much it talks about ideas that I've had other discussions with investors in my mentoring sessions and my teaching, and what's come up several times, which I think is pretty ironic, is the question about buying crude oil now, or USO. Well, first of all, I'm not a registered investment advisor. I used to be an NFL financial advisor, but I don't have that role, and this is strictly for teaching and strictly for educational only. So basically, some of the conversations I had about USO and the ETFs about crude, I mean, I'm going to say like a chart it says it all. And here's a chart of USO. And as much as we bounced almost 20%, this is why shorting is so tough. And that's why people got pretty much clobbered with the Swiss franc. I mean, if you use the 50-day period line of exponential moving average as a line of demarcation, or a 200-day exponential line, you'll see that, you know what? Yeah, we bounced, but it hasn't proven itself yet. The trend is still down. I mean, you can see I color code these. I have an indicator called Andrew Abraham Buy, which lets you take advantage of the times that are healthy and when the times are not. And an idea that you could do in Metastock, very easy. I mean, I love Metastock. I've had it forever, since 1994. I'm probably much dating myself. But the only time you really want to be, let's just put this on, is a 200 period exponential moving average. You're below the 200 exponential moving average. When you're above it, you're bullish. When you're below it, you're bearish. Add in the fact you're below a 50. This would have been a perfect time to short it. If anything, in my opinion, which really doesn't mean anything, I wouldn't be a bottom fisher, because cheap can get cheap. And again, the whole idea of why I'm talking about USO, I have traders that are jumping all over the board. They're not focused. In order to be successful, you need to focus on an exact plan. Are you a value investor? Are you a momentum investor? Are you trying to be a day trader, even though it's pretty tough? You need to have a plan that matches your personality. You don't jump from, oh, here's USO. Oh, here, I'm going to go sell the Swiss franc or buy the Swiss franc. I mean, or stocks, anything. It all boils down to having a plan. And if you really look at this thing, as much as hyped in the news and they say the bottom is in, no one knows that. And there are no gurus. And really what I try to do is I want to help you become your own guru, help you develop your own trading plan. And I have several books, I have courses, but really the real truth is what I've seen. I mean, there's a lot of people that have bought my books and my courses. But the fact is, really what helps, and at least helped me, is having a mentor. And what I do is I have hourly consulting. If you're just starting with me, I'll give you all the course material. I'll give you everything. Because really what my goal is to help you become a better trader. And unfortunately, people think the more you read and the more indicators and all of this, the better the trader is. Actually, it's not. Less is more. Developing a plan that matches your personality, having a trading routine, sticking to it. That's the big key. Sticking to your trading plan. So if I can help you in any way, the best way is to reach me is Andrew@trendfollowingmentor.com. I mean, my time zones change because I fly all over the place. So I would prefer not calling. I mean, it's a Skype number, but I mean, I get phone calls sometimes 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock in the morning. The best is to email me. I will answer you as soon as possible. Again, my goal is to help you become a better trader. Thank you.